fully aerobatic. You see that actual roll into the sky is a very expert jet aficionado, Big Dave Swarbrick, who's one of our most famous members in the LMA. All 27 stone of him. He comes to all our LMA shows. He's been to every LMA Longhorsley. He's been a grand supporter of this club, very good friend of mine for many years. And that's another big sports scale jet called a Boomer Extra. It's a large jet aeroplane in the sport category. It has a 40-pound thrust turbine. I think it's a Fun Sonic, which I believe is an Italian engine, which Dave, I think, actually distributes. You can purchase them from him. So that's the big fellow who's on the sticks. And he's an expert flyer, as you can see. Puts this model thoroughly through all its various flight envelope, and of course the smoke adds to the whole effect on a day like this. Wonderful effect of smoke. That's how that's produced is that the diesel fuel exhaust, and you see Dave demonstrating the slow flight now, nearly on the stall, and then he opens the cocks and hangs up to 1,000 feet or so. And this smoke is produced as a separate tank entirely from the kerosene tank, and that's pumped via a fine tube. If they're checking it before they take off, which they do, if you're at the end of the runway, then just hold your breath, because that stuff's highly toxic in there. And of course, the red arrows have a red dye, and they have the basic white, which you've seen in Dave's plane, and the blue, of course, which are the colours of our Union Jack and great national symbol of Great Britain is the red arrows. And you know, every year on the Great North Run, the last 2 years we have a little event here amongst flyers. They switch on the smoke, and you see the red, white and blue contrails. They go over the time bridge and then they pull up. Now it's a day like today, you'll see a beautiful circumferential shape in the sky as the runners Great North Run. So, as Big Dave Swarbrick, as I say, a great friend of mine, and he and his co-modeler friend Harold Delvig, another jet built biped in the Skybowl, which is just in front of me here. And Harold's a wonderful modeler, a wonderful scale man. Here's Big Dave. He's just bringing in the big boomer flaps down. You can see holding off bags of lift, and you see the airplane's not. It's a heavy airplane now, and a lovely three-pointer. Round with the toys. If it's made, if it's molded, then the Chinese are doing it. And now we just break off two for Andrew Crosby with the Valkyrie, master pilot Andrew.